It's your girl Liciaparie, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so I got my ring light in. Okay, you guys, so yes, I've been waiting to get this ring light in, like for real. So Amazon Pro. Okay, so I'm going to open this. Let me see what I need to open it. Oh, I can just open the box like okay. All right. So I got my 12-inch ring light. Yay. Okay, so let's just open this up and see what it do. What it is. Oh, what's up? So let's just open it up. Okay, so it comes with a single mobile car pillow hook or whatever. I don't know if it is not focusing right now, but yes, it comes with this. So that's okay. So we have, let me just pull everything out right now. All right, so we have a package that has a little mount clip thing, and so right here we have the little remote that comes with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this up, and then this right here is the tripod stand that it comes with. Okay. And here is the ring light. All right, here's the ring light. And then this is what you connect it to. So this is it right here, and then I just gotta figure out how to put it together. That's the first thing. So they give you a little manual, but yeah, I may or may not use it, depend on how I'm feeling, you know. So yes, let's just start and look at it right now, how I'm gonna put this on though. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so you guys, I'm finna attach my ring lights to the tripod. Okay, we're gonna do that real quick. So I'm gonna put this, it has where you screw it in at the bottom, and they have it right here at the bottom where you could just put it to it and just turn it to screw it in. And then let's see. Okay, I got that. Alrighty then. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, so, well, I wonder how tall this is. I don't think it's that tall, but tall enough. So I'm gonna do this little setup of how tall it is, so y'all can see how tall it is. Let me unscrew everything first. Let's get that done and out the way. So y'all can see. Woo! So this is pushed out. So let's see. Okay. Okay, so I have it standing up, so I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like standing up, and then I'm gonna plug it in so y'all can see the difference, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is the height of it. This is the height of it right here, so y'all can see. Goes like that, and I'm gonna make sure this is tight enough. Okay, you guys, when you put it, when you screw it in, make sure it's tight enough, because mine wasn't that tight and I probably could have broke it. Okay, you guys, so this is the full setup of it. This is it, and this is how it looks. It comes with the tripod and everything, and you just have to like spread it out, and then this is the way. Okay, spread it out, and then when I put it down, this is the height of it. So let me see. So this is the height of it and everything. You can move this a little bit, but that's about it. So don't try to do too much, okay? So now I'm gonna connect this. Let me undo this so y'all can see. And then it's a USB cord. So I have some of like my other chargers that I use, so I should be able to just plug that right in for it, and that should be fine. So once I get this together, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I love it. Okay, you guys, so it has 3 light modes, and it has 10 level brightness. So here's the little thing I'm using. Okay, so it has a plus, a minus, and then it has a lightning color switch, which is this one right here. It looks like a little circle. So right now the brightness that I'm using is warm yellow, and this is like dim. So when I turn it up, which you'll be able to see, it gets brighter and brighter. So this is the brightest in warm yellow. So I'm just gonna bring it back down so y'all can see the difference, okay? Now we're gonna go to white, okay? So this is white, and I'm gonna dim it a little bit, okay? And then I'm gonna go up to the brightest that it is. And this is the brightest that the white gets, okay? And this is warm white. And this is dimming it. And this is the brightest that it gets. So it doesn't really have to be this bright, because like I look really like bright. Okay, so we could just like tone it down. Like this is fine for me, honestly. But yeah, so overall it's like pretty good, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. And this is a 12-inch, okay? And it didn't even cost that much. I'll have the link and everything down in the description so y'all can see which one I got and everything. And I got this on Amazon Prime, you know. 2 days. So yeah. And then the little remote is like for your camera, and also it says your Android, and you can also use it for your iPhone. You just have to turn it on. You're gonna see the little beep, and then I haven't read the manual, because I mean if you're gonna use it for your camera, it gotta go with something. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, something like that. But overall, tell me what y'all think. Honestly, I think my favorite, well, this is the warm yellow, but I actually like the warm white mostly, because the white right here is fine, but it looks really bright to me. And then you have the warm white. So I don't know, tell me what y'all think. I'm gonna keep doing it so y'all can see the difference, but I'm not gonna have it all the way up, because this gets really bright, you guys, like really bright, especially with it actually having a 10 level brightness. Yeah, it gets pretty bright. So yeah, overall, I mean, first of all, it's affordable. That's the first thing I can say. It is affordable, and it is great. Look, if you can't afford to buy a $100 ring light, it's okay, it's fine. This ring light is perfectly fine. It's a 12-inch. I mean, If you're able to get an 18-inch, then that's awesome also. But if you're not, then you can just get a 12-inch or a 10-inch or whatever's best for you. This is the 12-inch and it does not cost that much. And of course, you know I got it from Amazon, so yeah. But overall, I give it an A+. That's all I'm saying, okay? So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what y'all think of this ring light. And I'm also using my Canon G7X Mark II. I just did the unboxing on my last video, so check that out if y'all haven't seen it. And I'm using that to record right now. So yes, hope you guys like this video and y'all have a great day.